Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a tax return late. First, gather all your essential tax documents, like W-2 forms and 1099s. Next, figure out if the Internal Revenue Service owes you a refund or if you owe them. It's crucial to know that if you owe taxes and file past the deadline, penalties might apply. Don't worry, we'll walk through each step to make this process clear and manageable for you. Now, let's prepare your return. You can use reliable tax software, consult a trusted tax professional, or utilize the official Internal Revenue Service forms. Carefully calculate your total income, any eligible deductions, and applicable credits for the tax year. Double-check all your entries to ensure accuracy. This step is vital to prevent any errors and avoid potential issues with the Internal Revenue Service down the line. Once your return is complete, it's time to submit it. Mail your finished tax return to the correct Internal Revenue Service address. For added peace of mind, consider sending it via certified mail. This provides proof of both mailing and delivery. If you find that you owe taxes, remember to include your payment with the return or explore setting up a convenient payment plan with the Internal Revenue Service. Finally, let's talk about penalties. If you fail to file on time, the penalty is 5% of your unpaid taxes for each month or part of a month, up to a maximum of 25%. There's also a failure to pay penalty of 0.5% of unpaid taxes each month. If you can't pay immediately, file anyway and contact the Internal Revenue Service to discuss payment options. They are often willing to work with you.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.